Other dance floor systems have edge trim panels that don't connect to each other. That can leave trip hazards, especially if you're wearing heels. Our dance floor edge trims connect with our exclusive safety brackets to ensure a smooth, secure surface. Nobody wants to faceplant on the dance floor. It's just one more little detail that makes Chivari's dance floors the best in the business. Installation is easy. Step 1. Assemble the dance floor panels. Step 2. Secure the connecting brackets to the aluminum edge trims. Note, don't forget to tighten the bracket set screws. Step 3. Slide the aluminum trim edges into the dance floor panels. Next, lock the panels and the aluminum trims into place. Then insert the L-shaped brackets into the corner aluminum edges. Slide the aluminum trim edges into the dance floor panels. Note, remember to lock panels and edge trims into place.